What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and been having a great week as usual. This isn't exactly a new pickup for me, but I thought I might circle back and talk about the Cork Purple ones. As I said in my previous video, this is kind of a sentimental pair for me and the colorway is amazing as well. I figured I'd talk about these in a styling video today because purple is kind of a challenging color to style. So for those of y'all who are into the Cork Purple ones, but are kind of on the fence because you're not too sure on how to wear them, this video is going to be for you. But first and foremost, let's get into the unboxing proper. So we've got pretty much your standard Jordan 1 retro box with the black and red Nike Air logo. So the Cork Purple ones originally came laced with black laces, but in my opinion they should be worn with the tie-dye purple laces instead. The black laces are kind of clean but a little bit boring in my opinion. If you're gonna rock purple shoes, you might as well go all out, you know? Besides that, it's pretty much your standard Jordan 1. You've got your iconic Wings logo on the side, purple and black color combinations on the ankle area, black Nike swoosh, white tumbled leather on the side, purple and white leather combination on the toe box area, the purple tie-dye laces, nylon on the tongue area, and a leather patch Nike Air logo on the tongue area for an extra fancy touch. The Jordan 1 is my personal favorite sneaker silhouette still to this day. If there's a shoe that embodies clean, classic versatility, this is it in my opinion. Because of its sleek and high shape, it can be styled with so many different pants, shorts or trousers. But for today's video, we'll be focusing on styling the purple aspect of the shoe. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and styling tips. There you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Jordan 1 Cork Purple. I know purple can be a tricky color to weave into your daily fits, so I tried to keep things simple today with some all white and all black looks. Looks 1 and 2 were made for easy replication, while look 3 was something closer to how I'd like to personally style the Cork Purple ones. As a quick reference, besides white and black, purple goes really well with your cooler colors like your greys and your blues too. So let me know which looks you were most into in the comments below. And with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace and see you guys again soon.